Dude, I love this thing.
You like it?
This thing is easy to ride. Wow, I hadn't ridden it.
Dude, this thing's fast. I keep forgetting how fast two-stroke 250s are. Like on that straightaway where you come out and you get that one jump, and you just fucking pin it. It just wheelies all the way down that road, man. I'm like, damn.
God, this just feels so good, man. It's like effortless. Wow.
I love it. I love it. Definitely doesn't turn in quite as good as yours and Lindsay's, but it may have helped real quick on the front end, though.
Yeah.
See in a few minutes. You must be going pretty good. I felt like I was going good. And
you want to follow me? You might be faster on that than I'm on this.
It doesn't matter. I don't like riding in dust either, so it's fun to. I'm probably gonna ride back before we stop and drink some more water, but just take some laps if you want.
I need a 4-stroke. Dude, I'm twice as fast on this as I am that thing.
You like it?
Dude, I'm going double the speed.
It's just smooth and easy.
So easy. This is like cheating.
Cool.
After getting off mine, I might get one of these.
I guess you're getting it to turn all right.
Dude, I feel fast. Dude, I feel better turning on this than my 2-stroke.
Your 2-stroke's definitely stiff. You know, I got some springs on it.
Oh my God, this is eye-opening.
Well, he got stiffer springs on it. Weight, but are you still 200 pounds?
Yeah. Well,
Well, that's gonna turn in like a motherfucker then.
I'm like 209.
Probably turns in for you then.
Dude, this thing feels.
I need a softer front spring.
Yeah.
This thing feels phenomenal. Huh?
If you on that bike, it's gonna turn in ungodly amount faster than you.
Dude, this thing feels incredible, man. I am double the speed on this as my 2-stroke.
Save your FZ09 and get you a new 350 XCF.
God, this is like cheating.
You ride it in E-spin. It's pretty good there too.
That 2-stroke is a lot harder to ride, man.
It definitely is.
It's fast as shit, though, isn't it?
It definitely takes a lot smoother fucking throttle on that damn thing.
That would be better at Eastman.
Because it's pretty damn explosive.
This is, dude, I'm.
It's fast as shit though. When I send it down that straight, it's like wheeling all the way down the straight.
That's what I'm saying. That bike is actually better at Eastman than these.
I don't know about that.
When it gets slick, these are easier to,
Yeah.
especially going off the jump face.
This is so much easier to ride than that 2-stroke. This is like cheating.
I love it.
Dude, I'd love to ride with
You know
Troy
what?
on this.
I haven't raced it yet though.
God.
I don't stack up compared to my 2-stroke. Hopefully I'll do even better. I raced it that one Sugar Tree race. That was it. And you know, I was
And your suspension feels great.
Yeah, I want to try out without changing the front. See how it is.
God, this is. I'm gonna have to get a 4-stroke now.
I figured that might.
If I want to double my speed, I'll get a 4-stroke. God, this is like cheating.
Shit, you could probably even get a 450 as big as you are. But I don't know. I'm a big fan of a 350. For me and my weight and my ability, I think it works out good. It's definitely a little harder to handle than that one.
Because this one's fast, but it's got to be revved a little bit, doesn't it?
Oh, dude, if you rev that thing, like rev it, it screams. Yeah. But I don't rev that bike. Like back through here, you just kind of mid-range the whole way.
This one's stall like hell.
I never stalled this one. I know Hunter stalled it, didn't he?
Yeah, I still stalled. I stalled it out on this loop today.
Wow, this is eye-opening.
You gotta keep this one in the RPM.
Yeah.
This one's actually like yours.
But that one's not going to get you in over your head.
Yeah.
Like,
But this one, you got to keep up with that one right there.
Yeah. Dude, I don't care what gear you're in, what RPM, if you hit the gas on that 2-stroke, it is rolling.
I'm just talking about the RPM. If this one drops down, you're done.
Yeah.
Like you stall like hell.
dude, what are they doing? Pulling stump salad ground over there?
Dude, I wish I had not ridden this fucking bike.
You'll be like dreaming about it.
God. No, a 450, I mean, I weigh a little more than both you guys.
Hey, you want to hear something crazy?
A 450 would probably, might be too much, even for my size, wouldn't it?
Depends on what you're trying to do, Jack.
I mean, if I keep riding, I'll just keep doing what we do. So it might be overkill.
Not necessarily.
I would say with your weight it wouldn't be, but it's harder in tight woods to ride a 450 because the damn thing, you come in every little tight turn and it pulls the front wheel off the ground.
This is like a 250 that you can lug, kind of, because it has bottom end.
It's pretty damn close. The engines are pretty comparable. This one's a little more tractable. It's easier to control and manage.
Yeah.
Even when it does start to kick out, you can usually let off and save it that one. Sometimes you can't.
On what, the 2-stroke?
Yeah.
Or yeah.
Because you know how it spins up when you hit a root. This one will kind of be in control when it revs up a little sometimes.
God,
Spin it around.
man.
I want to run it the other direction so I'm not going into the sun.
Fuck. Why did I ride this shit? No, doesn't yours have what's called the huck valve or something? I know you spend a lot of money on the suspension. Doesn't it have something huck valve?
Yeah, MX Tech, huck valve, and base valve adjusters, and it's got.
Now, what does the huck valve do?
Got the Owen's new valves, too.
Oh, I forgot. This has Olin suspension.
No, it's just got the Owen's new valve. Just one valve in there.
Damn it.
I'm like, damn it, man. You let me test drive a Ferrari. Motherfucker.
Dude,
He didn't let you test drive a regular 350.
I bet you his foot feels better than mine.
The air fork.
Yeah. Dude, that has had nothing but great reviews, that air fork.
Do what?
Did they say that the KTM has the best air fork of all the air forks?
God, yeah.
Heard the rest of them are kind of iffy.
They are. Can you do me a
God
favor?
dang it, man.
Since you're standing right there, can you grab them?
Your helmet?
I got it. Oh, you got it.
Hey, your bike felt good. I was going good in your bike too. I don't want to toss that thing.
What, on my 2-stroke?
Huh?
On
Yeah.
what? You gotta adjust to the instantaneous power of it.
Keep in mind, I mean, I've had 3 of those, so I know
Yeah.
how to ride them already too. But for you to get on this and go that good right off the bat, that says a lot. I think you'd be super fast on the 4-stroke.
I felt faster.
Oh, there we go.
Or I feel like it was. I don't know for certain, but I felt like it was.
You know, I'm gonna clean my goggles. They're kind of dusty from following you.
God, that is like cheating. No, I rode Hunter's
You didn't like it as
250.
much?
I didn't like that thing.
Really?
No, I didn't like it at all. I rode it on, you know, the turn track at Smith's.
Just because of the power?
Yeah, it just felt like it didn't have anything. He goes fast as shit on it though.
Thing handles good, it turns good, but it feels like a whole different bike.
I don't know what time it is.
No, I'm supposed to leave it for that.
That's fine for me to leave it 4 because that
It was
line.
supposed to be home at 6. It was like
Get
1:30
back
when we were
decent
back
time.
there. I bet you it's like 3 maybe.
No, I did notice
Hey,
the
we ain't
seat.
got much time on this next little loop.
The
Look
seat
at
is
the
way
front.
flatter.
Do what?
The seat, like mine's got a lot more dip to it.
Yeah.
Think so?
Oh, I know, yeah. Get a
Well,
toss.
it's lower too. The whole shape of the bike's better. And,
'Cause mine sits up
Lindsay's
taller
seemed
with
like
that
it even
piece.
has a little different shape than mine, doesn't it?
What?
Your bike.
Yeah.
It sits lower. This thing sits a lot lower than mine.
Yours sits.
And
Mine's
yours sits
taller than
even
yours.
Yeah.
and yours sits even lower than this, doesn't it, Lindsay?
His motocross bike doesn't. It's just, I think the way Mark's got the suspension has got it sitting lower. But it's working good.
Mark needs to get my motocross suspension.
Yeah, you can do some magic with that too.
Hey, is this camera cut off? I'm not gonna record anything. Is it cut off?
It's running right now.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah, he needs my